Good morning. This is Mrs. Pagano. I first want to apologize. This might come out a little late. I've tried to make this video like 10 times, so something's going on with my Screencastify. So, today's lesson is a block day lesson. So, this is for Tuesday the 7th and Wednesday the 8th. And we're in week 4 of online learning, and these are days 16 and 17. They changed the schedule for this week. And it's just this week only because it's the week before spring break. So I posted it to everybody's Google Classroom. Yesterday you had all your classes 1 through 8. Today is just an odd block day. So you have 1, 3, 5, and 7. Tomorrow is just an even block day. So you have 2, 4, 6, and 8. And then Thursday, you have all your classes again, but it's going to be a very simple and short lesson so that you can kind of go on spring break and decompress. Spring break starts on Friday. You don't have school on Friday. You don't need to check in on Friday. You just need to, enjoy, be with your family. And then spring break will last until the 19th, and we come back on Monday the 20th. Now, the calendar just changed a little from what I showed you yesterday. It's going to load. So yesterday you did the no red ink, the diagnostic, and the practice. Then today we're going to add to our notes about our Holocaust topic. So hopefully by the time you go on spring break, you've gathered all your notes. And then Friday would be the quiz for no red ink. So that's it. That's all you have to do. All right, and we're going to actually take this part away because it's going to be a nice short lesson Friday, just the quiz. All right, let me get rid of myself and show you what you're going to do today. Today, you're really going to repeat a lot of what you did last week with source A. And you just don't need to choose the topic because you've already chosen your topic. So here's the assignment. Steps, watch my video. Also, if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, I will give you extra credit, but I'll post about that after spring break. But if you do it early, I'm looking for some subscribers. This is going to be a little tricky for you because you need to find the assignment that you made last week and attach it to this week's assignment. So last week you completed, let me make this a little less large. Where is it? You did an assignment here and you turned it in. This assignment, you're going to need to find it and attach it to this assignment, which is going to come up once I assign it. So it's no longer a source review, it's your Holocaust research notes. So let's assign this, and I'll come back later and add the video. And so you need to take the thing you turned in here and attach it to this assignment. Now, if you remember, I told you to bookmark it. So I bookmarked mine. And this was my Caitlin Pagano copy of Holocaust Research Digital Notes. Yours is going to say your name, Holocaust Research Digital Notes. And remember, I only did source A so far. So today I'm going to do source B and source C. I do not need to do source D. I repeat, you do not need to do source D. So the instructions tell you to use the approved list of websites to locate another source. This would be source B. Read and take notes about source B. Use the approved list of websites to locate another source, source C. Read and take notes about source C. Here's the list of websites. And I'm going to see. So my topic, remember, is Virginia Hall. And because I think I saw a whole bunch of sources about Virginia Hall. There we go. I used the NPR one, but I didn't use the CNN one. I didn't use the Climb to Freedom. I didn't use the Smithsonian Magazine one. So I'm going to pick one of them. I'm going to pick this one. It's from the CIA. Oh, yeah. Okay. I copied the link. I go back into my doc. And now I need source B. So I can click on it from my table of contents. And that brings me here. And this one, I got it from the CIA. So I'm going to nickname it CIA source. And then I'm going to put the website here. And then I'm skipping this. Skip it. I'm going to come back. We're going to do this to the Tuesday after spring break. So we're not going to skip it forever, but for now. And now I'm going to take some notes and facts from the source. I can include real quotes, like a direct quote. I can also do paraphrasing. So it's up to me. So here I am. Now this is a little more difficult because it's obviously not like I can copy and paste. But now I'm going to read. So as I read, I'm going to add some of my facts. So I read. And if you're confused at how to do this, I showed you this last week in the video. So I'm going to fill in my facts. I might use a direct quote. Okay. And I'm going to do this whole thing. I'm going to come up with at least 10 facts. I'm going to try not to repeat facts. So things that I already said up here for source A, I'm going to try not to say them again for source B. I'm going to try to find new facts. Okay. Then I'm going to go back to my list of websites and I'm going to look for one more. And so I'm going to take this one from the Smithsonian Mag. And now I'm going to do source C. So I come down here. This one's from the Smithsonian, so I'm going to nickname it Smithsonian. I'm going to take my URL. I'm going to put it here. And now I'm going to skip it, take my notes and my facts. And these I'm going to take from here. Again, just to show you, if you're going to use the direct quote, like here it says, they were determined to stop her. An unknown woman with a limp had established resistance networks locating drop zones for money and weapons. Like, let's say I really want to use this quote. So I would put it in here like this. Right, and then I'm going to use my quotations. And this is going to be my in-text citation. I'm not going to do it today, right? I skipped it today, but I'm going to at least set myself up for success by doing the formatting correctly. I think in-text needs, hyphen. Remember, I can also replace, it's not just they, I know it's the Nazis. Okay. And then I'm going to insert more facts. Maybe I put some paraphrased facts. And again, these are going to be facts that I think are a little different from the facts that I've already gathered. And then I'm going to turn it in. The most important step that is hard to remember is this step here. Where is it? Step 2. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. Step 2. which is making sure you attach it to this assignment. And again, the thing should be called your name, and then it says Holocaust Research Digital Notes. So let's put that in there. Holocaust Research Digital. Oops, I'm not editing, am I? So take your time, do your work, get all your sources. If you need anything, please let me know. Today I'm going to do office hours like the block day office hours. So let me add that to the assignment. Block day office hours. And remember, I changed them so I could accommodate more people. And that's 12 to 2. And just let me know any